it's Tracy from Purple KATZ Quilting. We're in the shop today filling some orders. We are closed for business because we want to flatten the curve. We're doing our part. We hope to make things better in Alberta and in our quilting community. I promised I would do a video every day, and today we're going to feature the work of Courtney Whitehead. The mysterious world of EPP. Have you even gone into it yet? English paper piecing. It's actually been around for a long time, but has been brought back into really popular quilting circles. And now I just thought we'd go through a few things. So Courtney carries her EPP in a cute little zipper bag. Had those nice new Tula Pink. EPP, the mystery behind EPP. Here's her beautiful blocks. She's doing Tula Sunrise. And of course, she had access to some Tula Pink homemade a little early. So she's been featuring Tula Pink's homemade, which arrives on our doorstep Thursday this week. So we're pretty excited. If you have a pre-order, we will be getting them packed up as soon as we can and out to you. You can still order it at pre-order pricing on our website. So EPP comes in a pattern by Paper Pieces, and they're a fabulous company to work with. They give you a pattern. You usually get a pattern and all the paper. So there's Tula Sunrise. That's the one she's doing. And look at all the papers there. And where do those papers go, you might ask? Oh, good question. They go on the back of the fabric. So you use a template. You can also buy templates, acrylic templates. The templates come in a 1/4 inch or a 3/8 inch seam allowance. And I remember the first time I got my templates, I'm like, well, how did these get used? And you have to peel off the backing so you can see through. The reason you have a template is that you can fussy cut then. You can lay it down over your feature fabric, and look at that. Magic, hey? So that's pretty cool. If you wanted to do some other ones, like you can see here that Courtney has fussy cut. I'm going to show you in a second, but you can see where your pattern's going to be. You can see where your design is going to be, so you can make them look all the same. So that's kind of cool. And now we're going to go back and look at what she's done, because look at her little hands there all the way around the outside, right? She's fussy cut them with her templates. That's what gives it that magical look. So that's pretty cool. What else? Let me see. There's a couple tools for EPP that make it a lot easier. Thread is important, and Courtney talked about she's been experimenting because she's learning. She used different weight threads. That one's a little bit, I think, a little bit heavier weight thread. That's a 60. Yep. And then one of them, she used invisible thread. Look at her tiny little stitches. And some she used matching thread, so you can't even see those. That's amazing. And then you put the papers on the back of the fabric, you sew it together. You're just going to leave your papers in there till you're done, but they do come out at the end. What else do we have here? So you can see that she's got a couple more cut here without messing her up too much. She's got a couple more cut here ready to go together. So she carries those in her cute little bag. So that's pretty cool. Thread gloss. We actually have Libs Elliott thread gloss here. You put that on your needle, it helps it from twisting and spinning, and it helps it go through the fabric really smooth. Another thing that's fabulous are these glue pens, these Sue Daily glue pens. And actually my friend Wendy and Tiffany, they told me about these. So they would just run along the edges of the paper. You fold it over, it holds it in place. It's really nice. There's two different ways. Some people hand stitch it all the way around the outside, but we kind of think this one's pretty cool and easy. So EPP, we have lots of stuff in the studio. We have lots of patterns, lots of the patterns with the papers. We have a whole bunch of templates going. I just got these new ones here. It's called the Clutch of Hearts. Paper Pieces did up this kit. I'm throwing in the little heart template for free in these kits. We've got a couple on the website. But what you do is you make your fabric and then you cut it up and turn it into a wallet. So the bag makers, there's something you can try, a small little project that you can get something out of. We have all different kinds of EPP. This is a great beginner one because you can make a bowl. Everybody can use a bowl in their quilt studio. This is Paper Pieces starter kit. And this comes right from them. It's pretty cool. It's got your pen, your fabric, these little itty bitty scissors that I'm pretty sure are safe to take just about everywhere, clips, everything that you'd need. So that's a kind of a cool little way to get started. We have lots of the glue pens and the refills. Of course, we've got all of Libs Elliott's patterns. Look at this one. We Are the Storm. Our friend Tiffany is going to do that one. Yeah, that's going to be amazing. What else do we have? Oh, there's the templates for We Are the Storm. So we have those too. So we have lots of stuff on our website. Anybody who orders this next week, we have a little gift for you. It's the Purple KATZ quilting little gift. It's the little mini charms of all the different things. My lovely assistant has also showed me that sometimes they use these magnets, these what are they called? Sew tights, yep. And they use that to hold the pieces of paper together so that they can sew it flat. So we do have a few of those, and if you want to order some, we can get more. And a couple other things going on in the shop this week. Our homemade comes. There's the homemade challenge. Courtney's willing to give you a hand. Just email the shop and she'll help you. I know we've had some emails about picking fabric, so we will get on that right away. We have the special collector's edition, the homemade thread by Aurifil. We have some of those. And we start this week. The end of this week is the Allison Glass Juicy Juice mini series Sew Long. So we have all of those patterns here. We have the Carol Dokes foundation paper. We're getting to add an 1/8 ruler. Just makes it a little bit easier. We have, I have 60 weight thread right now. We're getting 80 weight thread in now. This week, I've heard that 80 weight is really good to use. We've been selling quite a few of these beautiful bundles. This is the Juicy Juice bundle for that mini Sew Long. I think that's the one I'm going to do. We also have all of the Allison Glass stacked here ready to go. We're going to cut those up, so we've got those on the website too. So if we can help you out with any of that. So just wanted to check in, see how everybody's doing. Phone a friend, have a few good laughs. That's what I did yesterday. And we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.